Who loves you the most?
My grandma.
Your mom and dad don't love you?
They love each other more.
Who reads to you before bed?
Grandma. She makes stories fun. I stay awake on purpose.
Who changes no into yes at home?
Grandma. Very fast. I just ask her.
Okay, which one of you is the older one?
I'm older. She's only older by 1 minute.
I'm older.
No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Yes, I am.
Oh, wow. Who do you love more, mommy or daddy?
Daddy.
Ooh. Why daddy?
He buys me toys.
Oh, yeah? What about mommy?
He hides them.
Who is the cheapest person in your family?
Grandma. She uses gift wrap. She irons it. She gave me my own birthday present back. I still have my name on it from last year.
Who is the sneakiest snack stealer?
Daddy. He eats Mom's chocolate. He blames me. I cannot reach the fridge. He says I am tall. I am 3 feet.
What makes you sad?
Mommy hides my cookies when I nap.
Do you find them?
Only crumbs.
What happens when mommy and daddy argue?
Daddy always gets quiet.
Why?
Because he wants to live.
So, how did your mommy and daddy actually fall in love?
Daddy says he couldn't live without her. But now, he can't even go to the bathroom without asking her.
Who cooks the best food at home?
Daddy.
Really?
When Daddy cooks, Mom already ordered the food online.
Who becomes an expert during arguments?
Daddy.
Expert in what?
Explaining why he's not wrong.
You love mommy?
Yes.
How do you know?
He does whatever she says.
That's love?
That's survival.
Why does daddy say it is our secret?
Because Mommy said no.
What was it?
He gave me one more cookie.
Who protects you when mom gets mad?
Grandma, she stands there and says, not today.
Who is the biggest fake sick person in your family?
My brother, he says he's sick. He stays home. He plays games all day. I checked his temperature with a banana. It says he's hungry, not sick.
How did your little sister arrive?
From Amazon.
Amazon delivery?
Yes, Mommy said a package is coming and then Sister came.
What does mom say a lot?
She says 1 minute.
Is it 1 minute?
No, it's a mom minute. Nobody knows how long that is.
Why don't babies have teeth?
Doc, they forgot to install them.
Install them?
Yeah, that update comes later.
Who is the real boss at home?
Daddy,
When?
when Mommy is sleeping. Don't talk to me.
Why are you mad, sweetheart?
Because Daddy said no.
No to what, honey?
I don't remember, but I'm still mad.
When you're sad, who hugs you the most?
Grandma,
And what do those hugs do?
it fixes everything.
What did you learn at school today?
Sharing is caring. My brother doesn't share his chips. I told my teacher. She said, tell your mom. I told Mom.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I'm focusing on my career.
What career?
Preschool. It's very hard work.
What is your dream?
To have $50 billion like my daddy.
Oh, your dad has $50 billion?
No, that's his dream too.
Who helps you with chores so mom doesn't notice?
Emma.
Helps how?
She does it with me. It says it's our secret.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, the boys are stressful.
Oh, how do you know that?
Look, they're my dad. I have a dad.
What's your favorite place in the world?
My home.
Why?
Because my toys are there.
Anything else?
My bed.
Anything else?
Because that's where Mommy is.
So mommy makes it home?
Yes.
If you had one wish, what would it be?
A mountain of ice cream.
Good choice.
And a giant playground.
You get one wish.
Oh,
So what would you wish for?
that my Mommy is always happy.